What's up, guys? My name is Matt. Today I'm going to be doing a video on installing side skirts on a Subaru WRX, and I'm going to show you what to do and what not to do and mistakes that I've made in the past. And today we're also going to be going to Subaru. I got to pick up some pins and clips for the actual side skirts themselves. Let's get today rolling. Alright guys, so these are side skirts off of a bug eye, and the difference between the bug eye ones, which are these right here, and one that is currently on my car, these have more like bubble design. I'll put the pictures so you can see the difference. Yeah, and some of the things to look for when you pick up side skirts when you order them are these inside clips. This is one of the most important parts. These tend to break all the time. Luckily these are actually all good on these, so pretty hyped about that. Is what I did wrong with these. I have never secured side skirts on right at all. Get out the light there. I have a zip tie hanging out right there. It's hard for you to see it, but I have a screw in the bottom of this. Like, I did it like a total idiot. So definitely avoid doing what I did, and I'll show you the right way how to do it. Alright guys, so this part's pretty vital to the process. You're going to take your side skirt, and if you do this right, it works. You got to get down low, you have to line it up where it goes, and you just got to toss the side skirt. And just like that guys, that's how you install a side skirt. So you can see it fits flush. I'm just kidding, let's get to Subaru. What's up guys, just filled up on gas and now we're on our way to Subaru to pick up these new clips. Let's get going. Guys, we're leaving Subaru. I picked up an oil filter for next week. I'm gonna do an oil change, and I also got everything I need to swap the skirts on. And there she is. The car looks terrible without side skirts. We got a new WRX chilling. Let's get out of here and get today rolling. Alright guys, back from Subaru. One of the first things I'm going to do is remove my old side skirt. It's pretty much being held on by zip ties and screws, which you should never do because it's just going to pull holes in the body and cause rust spots, which I'm going to have to fix down the line. But at the time I did it, so stupid move by me. What I picked up from Subaru were these clips right here. This is what goes on the inside of the actual side skirt. Here's the part number if you guys need it. And I'm gonna take this one off right now. Alright guys, so the skirts are off. I'm gonna clean that quick. These are the clips right here that go into these holes, and then underneath you're gonna have these clips, which I have a few of them still in here, but let's see if you can see it right up there. You're gonna want to pop this out, and then these, and make sure you actually use these are really important, and they actually hold the side skirt in the right way. Many times I've never put these on, I just was too lazy, so the side skirt kept popping out. So let's continue the install. And how it goes is you're gonna put this side of the side skirt is gonna line up with the front. It's pretty self-explanatory because this gets put into that right over there where I have the zip ties. I actually have the rivets for that, so I'm gonna have a liner that fits properly. It's gonna look good. Alright, so these white rivets, these are what's going to go inside these right over here. And that's what clips into the side holes right over there. Alright guys, just like that, you got to clip it in these little forks. Look at how much cleaner that looks. Unbelievable difference. I also have these rivet screws that I bought. Right here. These are what's going to replace the zip ties there and down there. Alright, so one of the most important parts of installing the side skirt is down below these holes. You got to put these clips in them. I should have bought new ones. Actually, I thought I did order them, but they said I didn't. So you're gonna want to put them in. If you don't have all of them, you're gonna want to spread them equally. So maybe one down here, one in the middle, one up there. And then after you do that, the side skirt should be secured on. Alright guys, the first side of the side skirt is done, and look at how much better this looks. It's unreal. I haven't seen a fitting side skirt on this thing in a long time. So it's pretty nice to finally see it come together. Time for the other one. Smoke. Alright guys, both side skirts are on. And then lastly, I'm going to secure this bumper. I'm actually just going to screw it to this. I'm replacing this fender anyway, so I don't really care if I'm going to drill into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to tap a little hole in it with this, with my Dremel. And then I'm going to hand screw this big screw into this. Hopefully this will hold tight. It should. Hopefully I don't pop through the fucking side of this. Yeah, the car looks good. I'm going to do some before and after shots. I just got to finish up putting the screws right in there. And then the new side skirts are on. And everything's good to go. I'm really hyped about the bumper. Everything's coming together, which is nice. There it is. Holy car parts arrived. But instead of one life, I need two. Let's go. This is actually camera equipment. It's not car parts, but you're gonna see what it is coming pretty soon. I can't believe I just got these on video, so it's awesome. Alright guys, so car with the side skirts on. It looks so much better. It's unreal. Look at that. That's today's video. We got the side skirts on. I fixed the bumper. I showed a little step-by-step, gave you the part numbers for what you need. And the car's actually coming together. It looks pretty good. That bumper was really annoying me, and I'm happy just a little self-tap screw should hold it for now. And yeah, got a lot more content coming in this box. It's pretty awesome. I can't believe that came as I was filming. That was sick. But it's actually a gimbal for future projects. I'm gonna be filming this Saturday or Sunday of one of my buddies, John Sharkey, and it's gonna be sick. He has a crazy 2.5 RS. I'm not gonna say the horsepower numbers or what's done to it. We'll do all the talking on that. So Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Oh,